Today's video with the wildlife game and fish property. Yeah, I told y'all we got some good content coming. Good content coming. So I'm telling you, y'all better stay tuned. We're gonna be doing some videos this summer. Coco gonna be doing some hunting. She gonna be doing some hunting, some tracking. We're gonna be doing some deer scent. We're gonna be a lot of stuff. So y'all gotta get ready. Look at this. Look at this. We out here where it get down and dirty. We in the jungle. We in the jungle. You feel me? Y'all bullies go to these shows and they stack off and they do all this stuff. But we out here in the jungle. We out here in the jungle. We out here where you gotta fight or survive. You gotta fight to eat. That's what we at. We out here where it's, you know what I'm saying, where it go back to your roots. Where the look at that. You see what I'm saying? She marking her territory. She smelling them scents she ain't never smelled before. Y'all see them? Look at that. Somebody telling y'all. She picking up on a lot of scents. And I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, yes, sir. We're gonna be running. We're gonna be running her out here this summer. You better believe it. Come on. You better believe it. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look, she looking. She ain't familiar with a lot of these sounds. Come on. But as you see, we ain't doing no tail tucking. Come on. Come on. Yeah, people, y'all need to get y'all dogs out. Get them out here in the wood. Let's see what they about. Y'all love showing y'all dogs in the garages and on the couch and all that. We can do that too, but let's see them out here in the wilderness, out here in the swamp. Let's see how they get down. Let's see can they survive. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how they get down. Yeah, buddy. We got some good content coming. Y'all better stay tuned. Y'all better stay tuned. Come on. Yeah, we be in public and we go in public, but don't get it twisted. We get down and dirty. We get down and dirty. Met it, girl. Come on. Don't get it twisted. We look good, but hey, it ain't all about looks. Come on. Yeah, see y'all, a lot of y'all, no shade, but y'all dogs can make it out here, man. You know what I'm saying? And this just getting y'all a little glimpse, you know, of what we got coming. But we running these woods. We deep off in here this summer. We deep off in these woods. You feel me? You feel me? We deep off in these woods. But that's gonna be today's video, y'all. We're showing y'all what we got coming for this summer. We're gonna be out here. This ain't it. We got a lot of stuff. We're going in public, you know what I'm saying? We're going to a lot of public places. We're gonna be out here getting down and dirty. We're doing a lot of stuff. Come on. And y'all, we're gonna take y'all along the way. So y'all gotta subscribe and stay locked in. If y'all wanna see real bullies, functional, active, good temperament, that can do it all, this the channel for you. With that being said, we out.